In this lecture, we are going to create static page for admin login. Inside admin area folder, I will create one file admin login.php. So this will be separate file. Here we will not be having the navbar which we are having for user. So what I will do, from starting, I will be writing this HTML structure. Title, I will write admin login. And whatever business name you have passed, you can pass that business name. Below this, I will be linking the style sheet. For that, let me just open header.php. From here, I will copy both the links, and inside admin login.php, I'm just going to paste. But inside this href, I do not need this path prefix. I will remove. Instead, I will come outside of this folder. I will come inside Bootstrap, and from there I will include this bootstrap.min.css. And finally, below this font awesome, I will be linking adminstyle.css. Here I will write adminstyle.css. Very important, link all these files. I will open script footer.php. From here, I will copy the script tag. Inside this admin login, before this closing body, I am just going to paste. Again remove this, come outside of this folder, bootstrap. Then here we are including bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Here I will be creating nav. For this, I will give the class as admin nav. Okay, let me write admin navbar. Below this, I will be creating one div class. I will be passing container. Again one div class. I will write display to be flex, justify content between, and finally align items to be center. Okay, it has to be div. Create one anchor tag class. I will be passing navbar brand. Inside this, I will write index.php. Inside this anchor tag itself, I will be creating one image. Come outside of this folder, images folder. There we are having logo.png, and alt I will write Gleam creates logo. Below this anchor tag, create one div class. I will be passing admin badge. Inside this, I will be creating one font awesome class. I will write FAS, FA shield alt. Here, text I will be passing admin portal. Save this code. Come to project. Refresh once. I will come inside admin area, then admin login.php. As soon as I hit enter, you can see my navbar is displayed. Here I am having logo, and inside this I am having the text admin portal. Okay, these stylings, whatever we have pasted, entire thing will be applied along with bootstrap stylings. Below this nav, I will be creating one div class. I will write admin login wrapper. Inside this, I will be creating another div class. I will write login container. Then I will be creating another div class. I will be passing login header. Here I will be creating one font awesome FAS FA user shield. Below this, I will be creating one H2 text. I will write admin login. Below this, I will be creating one paragraph. Here I will write access your administrative dashboard. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. In this way, the container will be displayed. Now below this div container, I will be creating one form. Action I do not need. I will remove. I will write method. Method is equal to post. Inside the form, I will be creating one div class. I will write margin bottom of 4. Then I will be passing label class. I will write form label. Okay, let me just remove this for. Inside this label, I will be writing this font awesome FA, FAS, FA user. Outside of this, here I will write the text admin username. Below this label, create one div class. I will be passing input group. Then I will be creating one input field text. I will write name, very important name. I will be passing admin username, and then I will be passing class. Class I will write form control. I will also write the placeholder. Enter your username. And then for this input field, I will be making as required. Below this, I will be passing another font awesome FAS FA user input icon. Save this, come to project, refresh once. You can see in this way my input field will be displayed. From here, I will just remove this hyphen, save this, come to project, refresh once. Now you can see I am having this icon as well. Now this div container I will copy. Below this I will be pasting. In place of admin username, let me remove. I will be passing password, not user. I will write lock. Then type. I will write here password. Name. I will be passing admin password. Enter your password. Class will be same, and this will also be required field. And here I will write FA key. And then we have to pass input icon. Save this. Refresh once. Now here I am having password field. Below this div container, I will be creating one button. Class, I will write btn login. For this button type, I will be passing submit. Then I will pass name attribute, very important. I will write admin login. Then inside this button, I will be creating one font awesome. FAS, FA sign in alt. Okay, this will be one class name. Hit enter. FAS, FA sign in alt will be the one class name. I will write login to dashboard. Come to project, refresh once. In this way, I will be having the button and whatever font awesome we have given, that is been displayed. And if I hover on this, accordingly stylings will be applied. Then below this button, I will be creating one div. Class, I will write backlink. I will write anchor tag. As soon as user clicks on this, user can go to home page. Here I will be writing one more font awesome. FAS, FA arrow left. Text I will be passing back to store. Save. Come to project. Refresh once. You can see I am having this back to store. As soon as I click on that, I will be redirected to back to store. For admin also, I will be using the same footer. So I will write include. I will come outside of this folder. Come inside includes folder. Inside that we are having footer.php. Then I will close PHP. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. But here if you see background is not applied. In our home page, we are having this background. So what I will do, just open footer.php. Here I will pass another class, that is admin footer. That's it. You don't have to make any changes. Now I will refresh this. Successfully I am having this footer. Now if I come back here, I am able to apply all the stylings which I have given inside this footer page. I hope this entire structure is clear. We have created simple static structure, but whatever stylings I have given, it is important you include all the stylings. Only then you will be able to get this complete structure.